Welcome to 12 Sargent Lane, a luxurious 3-bedroom condominium townhome situated in the Upper Beach Manors enclave of Toronto's Upper Beaches neighbourhood. With a custom roof canopy above the front entrance, as well as a sidelight and transom to capture the lighting of a south-facing exposure, a sunken foyer with granite flooring welcomes you into a home showcasing approximately 2,000 square feet of finished living space. Large windows in the south-facing living room flood in sunshine brightness, and diffused light through north-facing windows, as well as a neutral color palette, gives this entire level a fresh, airy feel. And the main level also features 9-foot smooth ceilings with a wonderful open concept layout, allowing for graciously sized, yet distinct, family and entertaining spaces. Above the dining area is a modern linear light fixture, while track lighting brings additional brightness to the custom-designed kitchen. Featuring stainless steel appliances including a fridge with bottom-mount freezer, built-in dishwasher, a slide-in stove with smooth surface cooktop, and a microwave range hood combination. The kitchen also features granite counters with seating at the peninsula and subway tiled backsplashes, while through the sliding doors is a custom wood balcony with privacy fencing for summertime outdoor dining and year-round barbecuing. And this beautiful and very functional work area is complete with a stainless steel undermount sink, as well as upgraded cabinetry with glass paneled accent doors and a matching interior finish. Engineered hardwood flooring flows throughout the entire home, and all the staircases have been upgraded with oak-stained treads and handrails, painted white risers, as well as painted white spindles along the main level hallway and with the second and third level staircases. The finished lower level has oversized south-facing windows for natural lighting in its cozy family recreational room. And this level additionally features a powder room with a pedestal sink and porcelain flooring, as well as access to a single-car garage. The garage is complemented with single-car driveway parking, while the powder room and the 2 other washrooms in this home all feature privacy locks, upgraded plumbing fixtures and faucets, as well as exterior vented exhaust fans. With hardwired smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, other important features of this home include an Energy Star gas furnace and air conditioner, all copper electrical wiring and 100 amp service, as well as interior GFI receptacles and weatherproof exterior outlets. And the home also has rough-ins for a central vacuum system, security keypads, and alarm contacts. Behind a door off the second level landing is the laundry room, which features ceramic flooring, as well as an Energy Star front-load washer and dryer, with this level also featuring 8-foot smooth ceilings, 2 very spacious bedrooms, one north-facing, the other south-facing, and both with California shutters on their windows, as well as a 4-piece washroom finished with porcelain flooring, upgraded custom-designed vanity with granite counter, and a 5-foot soaker tub with a glass shower wall and door and ceramic surround. The third level also features 8-foot smooth ceilings and is dedicated to the master suite. To the left of the staircase landing is a combined sitting and dressing area with 2 double closets, as well as a garden door walkout onto its own personal balcony. The ensuite washroom is luxuriously appointed with an upgraded custom-designed vanity with granite counter, undermount basin, and designer vanity mirror, an oversized glass shower with rainfall shower head, porcelain tiles finishing the floor and raised platform surrounding a 6-foot soaker tub, as well as subway tiled shower walls and bathtub backsplash. And the bedroom itself is bathed in the natural brightness of a south-facing exposure, with California shutters on its windows offering privacy as well as light control. Just steps to the East Toronto Athletic Field, a short walk to the Main Street Subway and the Danforth GO Station, and close to top-notch schools including Kimberley Junior and Glen Ames Senior Public Schools, as well as Malvern Collegiate and Danforth Collegiate and Technical Institutes. This home is also close to Danforth Avenue and Kingston Road shops and services, and is just a short drive to both the Don Valley Parkway and Lakeshore Boulevard.